Hey everybody, interesting day today. Okay, Level 1 results for the November 2024 exam were released today. Okay, and the pass rate was a whopping 43%. For those candidates that passed and for those candidates that didn't pass, I'm going to have a little video for you telling you what your next step should be. So this particular one is going to be dedicated to those people that passed the November 2024 Level 1 exam and want to know, Nathan, what should I do now? Should I immediately register for Level 2? If you want to listen to this, please press the subscribe button now and the notifications bell so that you can continue to receive these updates when I post them on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. If you passed the Level 1 exam in November 2024 with a pass rate of 43%, you should be very proud of yourself. I congratulate you. I am absolutely happy for you, whether you worked with me or didn't work with me. And now you're looking to be a Level 2 candidate. Be careful. Level 2 is not Level 1. I can't help but stress this over and over and over again. It is a much more analytical application type of exam where you're going to need to integrate the concepts, not only that you learned in Level 2, but even some of the stuff that you learned in Level 1 to answer 88 questions. That's it, 88 questions. Less than half of the questions you had at Level 1. So there's going to be a lot of more integration, a lot of more concepts, a lot of more application, and a lot more analysis than you had at Level 1. You got to be ready for that. If you're just going to try to memorize the program or focus on calculations, this is going to be a bear of an exam for you at Level 2. And I'm speaking from experience because I did not pass my Level 2 exam the first time I took it because of a very poor strategy, following what I did at Level 1. Okay, but in any case, what's on people's minds right now is, hey, Nathan, should I be taking the exam in May, August, or November? Well, honestly, we're now in the middle of January. I don't think you have enough time to take it in May. Okay, I would not opt to do it in May. I'm not even sure if you can truly sign up for the May exam, and it doesn't matter. It's way too short of a time, so forget May. That would be ideal, so that if you failed it, you could retake it again in November in the same year, save money, not have to buy new materials. Got it. But don't set yourself up for failure. So now you're left with August or November. Here's my suggestion to you. I know that August looks attractive. I agree. It looks attractive. Is it doable? For most people, yes, but not all people. But you will be under some pressure and stress to complete everything for the August exam if you start now or in the next couple of weeks. Here's the thing. I would actually recommend leaving the Level 2 exam for November, starting now, once the gates open. I believe it's February 6th, okay? But you can even start now studying for the Level 2 exam for the November exam cycle. That would be your best bet. Number one, you won't have to stress out. Number two, you have more than enough time. Number three, you can master the materials better. Number four, there's a lot more materials in the Level 2 program than you had at Level 1. But most importantly, there's really no benefit to you to take it in August. And let me explain why. If you take the exam in August and you pass, you will get your results somewhere in October. That will not leave you with enough or a lot of time to take the February exam in 2026 for Level 3. You'll have to wait until August, most likely, unless you try to push yourself under so much pressure, which I don't advise. Okay, so and if you don't pass the Level 2 exam in August, you're going to have to wait until May of 2026 to retake it. Big gap of time. So here's what I would do. Increase the odds of passing. Sign up for the exam in November of 2025. And if you pass it in 2025 Level 2, you will have more than enough time to prepare for the Level 3 exam in August 2026 and hopefully pass it with me. If you fail the Level 2 exam in November, which if you're working with me, probably won't happen, you could still retake it in May of 2026, and you don't have that huge gap because you're going to get your results in January. That is my 2 cents to you. If you want to, I know I threw a lot out at you. If you want to listen to this again, that's fine. But in a nutshell, I would recommend signing up now or as soon as possible to take the exam in November, have enough time to study for it, and then leave level 3 for August of 2026. There's no benefit to you to rush, put pressure on yourself, and fail, because retaking any of the level 2 or level 3 exams is mind-numbing. It's very frustrating, and there's a good likelihood of it because it's a more complicated exam than level 1. And I'd like to help you get through level 2, and I think that this is what you should do now. I would actually recommend signing up for the level 2 exam on my website, chalkandboard.org. That's CHALK and AND board, BOARD, chalkandboard.org. And even before you register with CFA Institute, you'll have the materials, whether you take the exam in May, August, or November of this year anyway. You and I will sit down, we'll do a Zoom session, we'll create a study plan, and then based on the study plan, you and I will determine, is it better for you to sign up for the August exam or for the November exam? And most likely you'll see that November will be better, but if you have to do it in August, we can make it happen as well. So that's what I would do. I would actually sign up with me before you sign up for the actual exam. Then you can sign up for the correct exam cycle and not have to pay any kind of change fees or deferrals. That's what I would do. Well, again, congratulations to you as a level 1 candidate that passed, and I wish you all the best, and I look forward to working with you on level 2. Have a great day.